The USS Oriskany was once a mighty aircraft carrier. This giant of the seas was built for war. It served the United States Navy with distinction. The Oriskany fought in the Korean War. It also played a role in the Vietnam War. The ship earned many battle stars for its service. However, time marches on. Even mighty warships become outdated. In the 1970s, the Oriskany was decommissioned. The Navy considered many options for the Oriskany. Scrapping was a possibility. Some suggested preserving it as a museum. But a different fate awaited the carrier. The Oriskany would find a new life beneath the waves. It would become an artificial reef, a home for marine life. This decision would have a lasting impact. Creating an artificial reef is no small task. It requires careful planning and preparation. The Oriskany underwent a meticulous cleaning process. This was to remove any materials harmful to marine life. The ship was stripped of hazardous substances. This included fuel, oil, and asbestos. This process took years to complete. Finally, the day arrived. May 17, 2006 marked the day the Oriskany would sink. It was a controlled sinking, carefully orchestrated. Explosives were used to create openings in the hull. The ship slowly slipped beneath the waves. It came to rest on the seabed, 24 miles off the coast of Florida. The Oriskany was ready for its next chapter. The Oriskany, once a vessel of war, was now a haven for life. The ship's structure provided a perfect substrate. Algae were the first to colonize. Barnacles and corals followed. Fish, attracted by the burgeoning ecosystem, made it their home. The Oriskany was coming alive. The diversity of marine life exploded. Today, the Oriskany is teeming with creatures. Divers marvel at the sight. Goliath groupers, some weighing hundreds of pounds, patrol the decks. Schools of snapper and amberjack dart in and out of the ship's compartments. Sharks, rays, and even sea turtles are frequent visitors. The Oriskany is a testament to the resilience of nature. Section 4. The Oriskany's impact, a boon for nature and people. The Oriskany's transformation has had a significant impact. It has boosted the local economy. Divers flock to the site. They come to explore the wreck. They come to witness the abundance of marine life. This has brought revenue to coastal communities. Charter boat operators, dive shops, and hotels have all benefited. The reef has also had ecological benefits. It provides a safe haven for fish. It acts as a nursery for juvenile fish. The Oriskany relieves pressure on natural reefs. These are under threat from pollution and climate change. The Oriskany is a shining example of how human ingenuity can benefit the natural world. Section 5. Beyond the Oriskany, a legacy of artificial reefs. The Oriskany's success is not unique. Around the world, other ships have been sunk to create reefs. These range from small vessels to other retired warships. Each one becomes a thriving ecosystem. They provide valuable habitats, they boost local economies, they offer unique opportunities for recreation and research. Artificial reefs are a testament to our capacity for creative conservation. They are a symbol of hope. They show that we can restore and protect our oceans. The Oriskany, once a mighty warship, now stands as a reminder. It reminds us that even in our discarded creations, life finds a way.